Hello and welcome to the Alkeep Tech YouTube channel. Today we're going to disassemble completely Lenovo V155 laptop, and so let's start. So all the screws are out, and the good thing with most of the Lenovo laptops, all the screws are the same size, so even if you mix them up, you can use them anyway around. Okay, next step is to open the back cover. Usually good place to start are parts near hinges. And then just follow it through. That's it, the back cover is off. Next step is to remove the battery. Taking all the screws out first, as these small wires here are quite stiff on Lenovo laptop batteries, so this gives us more leverage to pull it out safely. Okay, so next thing would be disconnecting the wires that go to the Wi-Fi card. Then we'll continue with heat pipe and the fan and the keyboard connectors here as well. So let's start. I'll use the plastic bar prying tool to gently disconnect the CPU fan. Okay, that's it. There's only one screw holding the CPU fan. We can see how this CPU fan is stuck with dirt hasn't been cleaned recently, and by this we can also conclude that probably the owner has some pets, as it is full of hair. Okay, next step is heat pipe. Okay. Beneath this cap is RAM memory. We can leave it there as it is protected nicely. Let's disconnect the keyboard. And the mousepad, as well as the speakers, which we can do later, and the CMOS battery. Let's go with a EDP cable. Okay, finally out. One screw here, holding the mainboard, two here. Okay, and from this side we have speaker connector and the CMOS battery connector as well. Always be careful when disconnecting CMOS battery. These connectors can be tricky. They know usually to break inside, or the wires to get pulled out, so always pay more attention to this connector than any other on the mainboard. Okay, and that's it. This was the primary goal, because there has to be some work done on the mainboard, and this is what we needed to be disassembled from this laptop. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. All the best. See you next time on I'll Keep Tech. Cheers.